Ukwada September 21 and then Sunyamedi Achaye enti yamwache edeba Badwam dwumadie so Adom TV nonsiano abonti kasebono de edikan enedey ewo TV so ye na making kan edema de edima kotini bi a wobete ne se NDC amanyoko no ene de sobo ebo electoral commission sense fofra wode ba efa Ghana card ho amafo de beto aba no nsusu ye opese odi eni papi free ma womo entumi entoba so afa wono so hye homasia honsem so na eche se free senior high school na man no e de aba ne de ebeboa pa ba bi ko oka no ene botaya wogina so no obeti ase ewo kase mu ebi kan we ho e na making kan asomo no pay se Badwam kase medin de ma mechra Diamond memoachi National Democratic Congress yamanyoko kese yo opposition ewo memo na emu enipa bi na ekase CI no a Electoral Commission anase EC no ede akoto mra sebedwefie no akwakoje se no no womafo ebehwe so na efie mpemienu ene eduonu na wode ato aba se emra asa amra no ene sa age so wo Ghana card no bia na betumi ato aba no de eyetremu po bia wopese woma enipa bebre womo nya akwanya ento aba no bi na no so de womo NDC fo no womo mfo aso
24th November to discuss the draft constitutional instrument on registration of voters. Take note that this practice is a complete departure from the age-old, time-tested convention where IPAC first set up a committee to draft constitutional instrument for discussions and adoption. The NDC did not participate in this meeting. As a party with legitimate interest in the elections and given the high stakes of the 2024 elections, we are simply unwilling to allow any manipulation before, during, or after those elections, and we will demand the strictest standard in the processes leading up to the elections.
Uchimuse ekamia isa Badwam Commission epese amanyoko pote baako bi ena oboa wonum ewa fimpinu ene aduonu nan abatonim isanse sa voter registration awode eba no amanyoko bi ene benya so emfaso osansem ne ho afimpinu ne aduonu abato Director of Elections awode amanyoko no ano Elvis Free Ankara HRC sanhyehyeye no Badwam Commission de ba ne de enya de amfaso bi abebaso
ema no na NIA card ya Electoral Commission said this enunko na awa bitimi dia twodi no card nso NIA for omo chiche nwie enkrofo bebre akwa akotro mudin ebu abosome miensa bosome nsia ebu a emfie kra ba emienu NIA for na nkasa agi atum say nipa ebro empim mienu a omo atro mudin se omo pe NIA card omo sankaye ena omo so omo nyantro mudin so omo so ebro ape 1 million e akire enti wo hwa se nipa dodo enyina no yenya ntro mudin enso isi se agese obi owo NIA card ne betimi atro ne din so di mfie du nwatwe a ene e pa che se wo hwe the way a NIA onwadwuma no ekwa isi omo ntimi nyina eno so enka se agese chinchine ache wo NIA card because NIA for na nkasa no card na e wo so omo de che no omo ntimi ma ma chechum se bia by 2024 kra no o metimi ama obi opa bie kra na ayede enya ne card.
United Nations in Shiamu no gusu akoso ewo US sabrochimem na we no eye in Shiamu afa enhomasua ehonsem United Nations Education Summit na my Ghana so afo hwe enhomasua honsem so Dr. Oseya waduchum ewo in Shiamu na se abre bi ebedu ne so se won kasa no kasa woka ene enhyehyeye ene nchiremu a wode ma efa oman yi enhomasua honsem no omafo gusu aboje ne so se nensem no emudo na abanso wo baako bia okan ye ene se Free Senior High School nhyehyeye o my Ghana eye no de no kre eboa se ne be ya enhomasuamu yiyimu bia so obi ye be ma na so obi ye oba no obi abenya ho akwanya.
That means we divided all the students into 3 tracks. At any point in time, 2 of them are in school. We were then able to create space for every single child to go to senior high school. So as I speak with you, we began with, before Free Senior High School, there were only about, or the introduction of year-round schools, only 800,000 students were in school. When we removed the cost barrier and increased access through year-round schools, we'll be able to grow secondary enrollment from 800,000 to 1.3 million. We have also increased gender parity. Before the introduction of free senior high school, parents in deprived communities had to make a choice between the girl going to high school or the boy. Invariably, it was the boy. So our gender parity at the time was 0.92, 9.99. Next year, there will be a gender parity in Ghana at the secondary education level, all because we're able to use leapfrogging strategies for access. Because if you don't, you're going to sit there and lament and say, oh, developing country, no buildings, we can't do this. But when you begin to think about leapfrogging strategies, when a sense of urgency is created, you begin to borrow from around the world, then what was deemed impossible then become possible.
Mental Health Authority ejumekuo ne so kyerɛ sɛ wɔ mo de kwa foforo bi obi betumi afrɛ wɔn afa so de frɛ no sɛ to free no bi aba no no frɛ no sɛ MHA call center ene sɛ obi wɔ hɔ na sɛ bibi hyɛ ne so ana wɔ hu ne wɔnya to da bia na adwen aba ne tirim sɛ wɔn kana no aduro ana sɛ wɔn hyɛ ne ho akɔmfo so wɔ saa te bia ne mu ana sɛ wɔnim obi sa we no ɛyɛ bia yɛ foforo a wɔn ate a ofrɛ pɛ obi bɛgye wo so na ɔne wo adi nkita ho sɛ ne ɛbɛyɛ a saa nneɛma na ayɛ kɔ so no etu betwa
adia bia ya today say call center ye ka call center dey pa kire say obi ko ahohiahia mu a enu nti no opeso gine kwa free nsam opeso di ne ho awu opeso hye ne ho ahoma nanso so bibi eye no say da bi menhweda mempɛ moa bi a obetumi akɔ ye line na de betu dwa sesie enti ofrɛ sa line na ye aboafo bebre ho a omo aya ahoboa on between ni no akasa se den ha o won be na afutuo ene akwanche bebre ne se won so hwe na se bro mo so a no mo so e de wakoma mpanifo a enso eteretre na ehia pa efri se efiti be mfie enum ni ye be ka ya mfie enum ni Ghana ha epija ne ho sankrofo edi o ho awu e hye ho akomfo na nipa bebre nso pese wo ekọ di o ho awu enti ye hwe se be pa dwumadie bi ato hodmo na ye de number atodwa enti o sa hohia mu a obetimi afre
enwachi na otitere ne awoda Mental Health Authority abedwako ano Estelle Apia editu dwa se ogidi yi pa se sa na mayi a wode aba betodwa yi ebeboa na age omanfo enkwa isanse obi wo honom kra won pese obedi ne ho awu na emom wonye obi ene ne di nkomo a onipa no etimi adwudwe na koma emasa tirimopo no etimi efri hoko.
The Mental Health Authority has relentlessly engaged the telcos to support the Mental Health Authority call center. Recently, Vodafone, MTN, and Airtel Tigo have offered costs that are relatively lower than what was earlier provided, as the Chief Executive mentioned. As we launch the Mental Health Authority call center today, we breathe a huge sigh of relief, knowing that going forward, many lives will be saved because there will be psychosocial support. And also, at this point, we also need to appreciate that when people take their lives, it causes devastation to the loved ones they leave behind.
Afe metwaso afi mantamo na sofui ena wachire no ena afe so tofuhene a owo akwa akromo a eno wo mfifi mantamo wo mo kire se sa sofui ena nurse ni sukuu ni bi wakwa akuku no na okoku no ena tofuhene yi wono ne soto dan bi a wo si afe na wo si no fofo a wo nwie ye no eho no kosie emu no enti sese wo hwehwe na na wo hu no
twa ka akwa adwuma nti me wa na ma say a police for a handcuff so for e dia bai e na onu na be kire se bia omo asie nipa no a na omo ko tui nti ye tui ana hu say omo akekire ade white bi so e ka body no ho na chef from one ye tui nti na mi so me ho 5 days yeah na omo achi no aba minimum de ntia matimi ha chi sofon di sofon na be kire se board ni hia e hia edanum ha to hini fie ya
fena na crack yo hello ha mumum na oti na mu na nka musumi nyim ni fie kro wo yi nti ha mumum na oti ma so wi abia na metida mu kase na yesu etu ka da ye ba abohwe
Tenamufoɔ nso ɔmo mankesim hɔ no de a wɔka ne sɛ de abɛɛ deɛ wɔyam hyehye wɔn pa esan sɛ wɔn ankasa no wadanso wɔnan egu abɔnten wɔhwɛ ade a wɔsɔfo yi ne tufohene ayɛ idi a na kyɛ sɛ ɛyɛ ayam hyehye asɛm
mo wasa ne pe ya mo hwehwɛ ma da nta yimpa we kun mo ɔhya ha ɛyɛ sɛ 3 weeks or 2 weeks ni mo ɔhya ma braceful ebotu no wade no kɔ ba ma yesi apɛ ma yɛ ho ye suro kra wa ha ya ma yɛ mbambo wɔn fa ha ya ma yɛ mba wɔn fa izala jomtori de wo sɛ suwa so tara ha bon mo hu na ha bon so mo so mo ya mba na mo ya announcement so obi anhwɛ no hu yie wɔ namba na na ebusua wɔde akyɛ obi ni ba fɛfɛ bi na ja mi so be se ukwa ba tun sa samle de ayate nta so wɔde be sha he wɔde be sha nta se me be ma ka ma wona wo che wo me se ka se dentam one and the one ma ya wo ona ba ka se ma kwasi ku bi se dan bi na mara nti ya ba so sa ba so na wa ya iwe me
Afe yemfi ahomete seme so na yenko amanyosem mu na omafo mu wo pro east mensenum ewo bono east mantam nim atumi ato aba ama wayi Patrick ya oboache se wono enobeye presiding member ada assembly no ano empendodo pii no wo abomode se nko betumi enya PM na so ne nyina ye kwa na so ne nanu ya woye de atumi ayeye ama Patrick ya oboache ena sese woye PM and as a presiding member edema assembly no ewo pro east Potemo.
Within the Honorable Alhaji Adams Abdullah DC for pro east. Yes, I am and the manager da papa. The entire manager dan say when him say as an assembly no you try this for the first time I ever see a presiding. Ya intiminya. This is the third meeting I presided. For the first time I akasa ama intiasia ba nipa ba kupe krampona waba nipa woni ko krampono I withdraw at the grounds even we for only one person to go even do a yes or no.
Enwachi and a presiding member Ora Patrick Yabuache and so eda assembly members nase editor wenim say obey the wit bibia sebe yi a wonu beboabo sika no nam so edim pontu aba mensine no emu.
The Honorable Patrick Yabuache da yankopon asese yetimi anya presiding member a woyele na the team popa na wo me so a me pese me de boa assembly me say beje me chi fan just sika ye revenue ade ama assembly the team who said that FAA so as could as up committee. When we say no be grow more a cent revenue free and so revenue member. Some day I'm a presiding member, and you make sure say the GBPR and revenue no emma with the help of assembly members.
Afe yenko asante mantamo na assembly members no bia omo so municipal assembly no wasa mantami mu no wo mu bi afa chirimu pose wo mo ede municipal chief executive Maxwell Ofosubuache ebekwa akogina emra no anim wo mbota yenti a wo mo kasa asem no enchiremu nie
2022 budget there minua amma general assembly na agentu na assembly nso no eno general assembly na the body of the assembly. Enti basa no me wo FNA ye ko say yen konkoye review e wo FNA ho na me rezi say na review na mo si yemra me no sa review we general assembly no budget ama ye den enti mu hwe ne ye ansa na ye ko general assembly ankasa ye ko no mo si yen review ana am say na de na yen review because ade na ye be review no ankasa no amas ayi general assembly am ya nyantum ye kan ye no empanyimfo no omudi anim no oma anya ntum oma ntie sesi ade ehwe anim ni se emra ne pese ye adwuma sa na ti de age se ye sa de budget ne ba back e ma assembly ni gitum ansana yetimi aye adwuma na ibi kura ayi budget na ye nyitum no kura ye spend it sesi am no kase na date 20th September 2022 from
Swami Municipal Assembly members no be nchiremu a omo edi ama esumi gina de Badwam kase no esi na mede esi no Badwam dwumede no eto asofisa fei na de obon krata no ene de ekoso ewo online ahodo no so eba wakwam oman hene kwabena santene afia mankwata maklo aye krado aye kabom ede online ene de obon krata no asomom pamcho me mamachi nyami Adom no nso
Nkwana abajine so na holiday pa na mehwese meya dana meyira dana me sorry pa ejeze ene mari bu awudi mi gaze ebufu ya chen bibia na wada so hwe president when describe wada in show wada na wada of friend say o so mehwe a obenyame o so mehwe a obenyame be 233 honum no bo ze na US da ze o normal o chumu kakebe 330 or to me say we dey be peja corners gear no you know edi da me anim ne solo bre ansa na sorry me bre broso you know o sorry sa pa no ni asa hancho tina ya na de bia ka chem say sorry aye sorry nyina menu me nyama ma ne nye kwa ko ya say sorry dodo na aye sorry nyina e be kwa egosu tu galam say MPP ni EC ko NDC ni EC ko ni nyina ye tumi kakra na omo pe no e dia be di o man so no eno ho ntokwa no eti o sori sa na o sa ba betiti sai de no wasuma ha dwini no ha dwin papa enti mebunu no de bia me ka kire mo ese se obia position ne ho se obe build the capacity is important. Our reliance on political figures and sometimes politicians and political parties no ebe kuyen you say baby e nyina ya do nti am papa ya semi ya wakai Professor Oduro Usu o say ye nyina ye nkambom ye nkuntia illegal mining entimi nkoye obi asudie bi mo because mo nyina fail ye NDC was in power, they pretended in court to almost solve galamsey illegal mining. NDC MPP kwado mbamba tia gumkra. Amukwa to the extent that Mampeyin Nankasa. So now enye John Mahama and enye Nanado, enye NDC and enye MPP. Eye meniwu mi enu necessary eboama sa illegal mining no. Etimi koso. You know, so minim di member so the ba now say oko ohonoma o church we say why musicians are most likely to be denied visas at embassy. I feel we be edu no.
Ntino.
Well, omoye omoma.
Na wa all the man in the first year going back so me musicians.
Well, ewa mate batubati asie ya na chese eno ye nkomotuchi ekoso ewo Hit FM yenuanom hit na chese wo mu de ajontofo ne hwa na wo mu ko ne ade anti ena wo mu kyeremu se ne enti a ajontofo binum wo mu kodu embassies bi sombeso mu tukwan a na aya na tode bi a yesi ye wo mu nko enti ade comport no so ye event promoter na ajontone bi si weni so a oko hitsonline.com honma oko adomonline.com hit nkomo a wo mu di ye no na chese wetumi atie na wafa ababia afiri mu na afei waye homework ewo ho etimi fie no so na memra foforo so we 3 Ford vans and Opel Cadet vehicle bent in Kumasi nti ena asejurube yo asejurube ya egu ehanum sei nti enya samodesa no pay adomonline.com ebo eho amane na ba konso eno so fa edwadie eho nsem adomonline.com how say car dealers bear thieves over 30% penalty on duty. Car dealers bear teeth over 30% penalty on duty. Inti womo a ekokwa so kwa ma no ne kofa car se ba no womo so etore bia womu a wonse na omaba omasa aba bia wom kire se 30% penalty no duty na obedu ho no mu aye ewe wo no womo kire se debi enkoyie ma won sa nti womo akasem enye sa eyiboni bi ena ebinu pese womo eyi won ena curfew impose on Bunkurugu and its environs and also mejidi say and said anya wasem foforo sa fi say wɔn ka wɔn ho a curfew no so ka ne ho nti na wɔn ka wɔn ho no curfew no so aka ne ho ɛno ho asɛm adomonline.com na the affair nigide ho nsɛm say entertainment no so I have not dated since I parted ways with Burna Boy and Steph London and Ekan no my mama no na ye wa you bro so say the other
na we ono anasem na wo na do ho na so ni padua no oni obi anko ayonkofa bi a we no so no ye no bi nya daje
we fiti prekope no kai ye komo twetwe
Messi opekura na asem ne ko nipa do na wo no mo ko mo si o mo tiri mo po se sa ayonkofa no kai nti we no de ono anasem o ko ne
and Steflon ne dey no don cracker ho Steflon ti o man here na ko no tum na pe ba bitira
obe wi na ono akwa
e ti pa cho man ne afia da bo krata na so
dia me ka afia no kwaso no we dey say obi kra sister ana meboa people are trained
in that sister we dey o say onya sister na emomu no
e je no no fashion we na obi share so kwa bibia e na sa na dia se mia
ya musa na ko nka ana se busa na mo yi ano enti we say oyi ano
o wa hele
oza
okay
we kwa ni ma
asa dwe na yeshi
no bia ye du no kwa de we no de dan e de wa wasem opekura fanipadua na dwam ja
yes bibia koka papa
enje twede da ma mi de bia so beka je fa cheme ah na we de se we sia ye na de de ade bi nsi da ni o woni Jesus ne ho amte dodo
o ma he ye wo ema no bebre wo ha ye Ghana foi oba bia otimi bo ne homode siesie ne ho yie no aya na e wadwen bi se efi bema ho
yes
na so ma ne bi bo mankasa homode asaba no bekom no oni bema wo na kwen enti wo kire mu se e bia the fact that litimi koba no na no me ne Burna Boy jaye no me bo me homode na we wonti ase
so lo mu nyina wa kire ho uti me jaye o se o bo nwa ba so se ni ubi sa
e be bi me sa ba ye unu no chaka ye
ase bibi wo mu a e bia da to dwa
delegate Obokrata no ana me de ehase na wona ehwa Adom TV yen kase ne ye news or radio ne de wo mu atete nsem ya rehosam ye si ye kumase ehwe ye boa obatan ne mami enu ija hye wo modwada no ahomachen no da delegate the Obokrata ye ni mo ha ne si su to na light ne tender kekan bom hu ya ne sum kabui musie ma mene ne maitie mu bia ntimi anye wo so wo ma hia da ne nso mo ya ti wo hwemfoni e da ha no ma dumja pani bia wo gina so na ono so try dum di aka no ti ho asem delegate Obokrata no so de aba e say de we de awrade je so bam e de osofu bia asem o kan na anu da asa sore ma ne mema ne yusu guest no wo dan ni mu a free sofu na no ade aye de je se de ahujim
ada de adu de se
de ne ma keka kro no ise nyame bam because asofu no bi do ahujim hwe osofu news ya maame de mayi sofu
sofu
ni ohene kan bomo akum osua ni nurse ni yakosie no osofu
very serious
nada na mum nyame de oyo man hene a ka ebeyire no ye fia enche kora wo na mayi wo afi wo o de nyame din di boni sei it we so osofu na o court no sofu na okura nyame asem no o she China fo achi omu tu galamsey Jesus kasa o ma wo kan ja kan na edin anu odin
sofo cause ye ni momu nyina so ye nka de bia so say minister momodi political momodi
so ni po to nchen yo o community mu ho
wa ni
se ni po ya kromfo
ni pa so nchen
na dwumo ya na dwo nko na security be kura no oni
off so obo adwuma ni
any pa chese na je asa ahumo bro no nti ade bo ha enye nso yenti me nka because wo kokan on hwe nice way you nua ma bisa asa wo bi adwuma bo na
se de be yi ho ama baby edu no
operation ye be yi ho ama
because ye ho ama the solution to our challenges
is the problem kasa mpose hwe ti ho asam so no na wa ho no de ekoso wo ho no they say another body so and ye hunu ni they say bambo for the 100,000 Ghana cedi ato ho wa wo ye ne nse ntwa ho meje 100 cedis ni ni ti 100,000 Ghana cedi ato ho wa obeboa me ehunu nipa no a wo hye saa wa akro no mu ho no wo kunkum security fo siesie wo mu no wo me ehu wo na mra no ne wo nya adwuma eho asem MP any 15 others in trouble over power theft nti Ebeneza Oklete Tailabi ono eho asem eno no nya
delegate ono yakasawa enye no kure yeah but I don't know why omo person omo ya piano the kind of politics we do in this country. No, my catch ECG for sometimes most release a statement to this effect. Some about the charge. What is the charge? Say no cry because said the Oklite car we could see says then we are all guilty of it. Me were the same compound. Me meet me use me boys quarters. Can you anyhow? Me use me main house. My father qualified electrician certified. I'm not can you call me boys quarters? What is the illegality here? Because that me car we could see says if that is the case, then I am also practicing an illegality. Some of these things, no, Ejumeko na are responsible for that. Omonim die no. Quickly, mumra na mumba fanchire mumra. Ma umi amono toss.
ECG na statement na bo.
There illegality. We are too political.
Sino no e wa hane ne caretaker.
Bia mo asem bia de bia sa obekom no ase ni die wi na afehwe ni ho. What's all this? O man kakra bi ewo mu no. Amanyo sem no eteti mu say din in your mind self. Why? What do you want to achieve? What do you want to achieve? So, ECG for Miss Remo. What we do, baby, I'm also hometown. This matter of Yellow Crobody, Monsense. Nobody, the best show be a moving trial light bill. Come me tria. And no other crime, you can come here. What is a serious econo? One because I know one now use you. But one now use you. The man cassa. Then I meet you, I was a moving tria. What be that? Most sorry so press la de bia catch e mo na solo wache wo gata won na matopa e na FD for kasa no se no kwa na taste wo aduane guy no wo gata no o se na ede e me kwa da me hu solo mo adwene wo aduane guy na wo gata na e once na ni nyoma hodo obofa so no e na Dominic pe wache na esi gata no kwa onto koko de na ze wo wi kra I don't know se press la mo to e bi wa kira
na wo se wadi bia
o su nipa wa hania woni meka se bia se na
nenye nipa pe azu de gira
Ediasremo
ye diem
FDA for that you know examples of the mind and one because FDA for now caution the public against unhygienic food say Ghana for emu dudu na no ye de ekwa de say watch e bengata ene ne pe la shishi misisi gwata no nti mesremo omoka ni say no be oze bia agro no mudi but udi agra and also so and more tone no the first condition apart from nipa na woton no uni insayare bia no the second condition is bia woton ade na nkasa the ma enipa bi ni munya akugudro say the so called Polish restaurants na eatery joints no ukọ mo kitchen so a on ya be fit Joy TV for adarma oh be fit because baby prepared you any pa the bread the bit table so if you have an idea it is sometimes so share gata na kwa be fan say which is not good make of cause because of this city go and compromise but o share baby are so called big you know omo aduane de brain ni ni omo de ye aduane de brain
ni nsuo bi
ni omo spa nsuo ayese free kwanchen baby tema kora manipa ayemhye ni obi mu of tomatoes are more share ma o se sa ofom no dia wo mekwa ayese pacha o pa ade piero mu ono person spend be 20 or 10 20 dem ko achiro so spend be 6 series edidi peche
na be pacha ene Ghana de 6 series de enya
ho piero mu joint bi a o ti abetie ene na ma 6 series a udimi ni wo zo no wa kill ene de nyoma wa se good body nim no oh
yisi o kele brand no
ene abetie de ye ba me jeze bi a o konto no and the problem no abetie de ye ye wo ye me nko recommend ya ama no ne aduane bi ama ye eno ne ye yare bibiriba yi na ye yade so at ba wo di yankasa ampesi manken bode abetie fufuo you know di yankasa ye mo ne bi abunabunu rere na o de prekese ne abamduro ni sa ne bi e wo won kama ka rere kra no pia ne president omo ye nkwada nti no onim rere nkwan
and the mapa was hey yes how my boko here
the Ghanaian Times say Mother, 2 kids die in fire. If you can watch them that. I think the big story here, let's unite to fight Galamsey. And NDC rejects EC's proposed Ghana card as sole registration document. Over Daily Graphic, any man say. And Chroma Memorial Day revives spirit of patriotism. It's very important because national security documents are the king can the Maui Ghana and so proud Ghanaian. The Kenny, so you're Ghana and in Argentina, so you're a proud Ghanaian. It's a cell man who create Onyoma Mudaho, Odo mine, na Utu who change my into patriotism, love for your country, honesty, truthfulness, and transparency. It's very, very important. Into Yedi, Yakaka, and Krumadi, not just any, I see a kai a tuwacha, ye papanum, ye nananum, ye nuan momudi, and kind only be 2 or more chair. I want to credim, any or dome, any pepper. And there will be quite a my Jumakwana, open and Nima as a issue, or Muna Kissi, you don't say, also any munya fe. Muna sa makao, Muna Bishano pa, Nanimna Tiana, but Muna Kusu, Muna de Biane, Kachaka will be. Muna sa, a Bishop Muna, yeah, Muna sa, insure Muna, and yeah, insure Muna. I can't be sure who said it was no man, no Buddha, no problem. Muna's Bibiane. Dear Pa, now would you, yes. Koyo my Juma. You see. What is your management that dinner and Nibania? Oh, Chairman, my leg will be easy. We go this, you go this. Upon 10 or management, and now I'm back to normal. None 9 o'clock. The moment in 2 years, one Chairman Ghana because people sacrificed before we got to this point. By the most way, I'm going to them training 2 minutes. What had the moon perceive between watch? And then yet. And then my friends, yeah, said the Ahimana Bebu, Mammy Josh, the online didn't know him. And then, yeah, online, no, there were honey been, but on my dear Ocano, Kabika home, because sad to watch and I near Kai, a candy fono. Oh, some way, Yentina, ye cannon, oh, say, operation clean your frontage, and I fan as him here. Then ya someone near can call my eye at Timonso, Wabuano, so I just say a baby brase, operation clean your Wabuano. Na said you're no cleaning the dear, no so, or Tony a tonwa. O say, war bay for an hour dear drew. Also, do DNC baby patcha no yenta. O say, obi a Tony dear yenta dear. And at the end of the day, so ye deny ye yarikoymun, or who me tobi, or yare me tobi, where you man a goo. Me brofone na gu hey or myjoyonline.com amemboboswe. Black Stars new sponsor Mara is not licensed. Bank of Ghana wants. Hey. It's fanasem here. Bank of Ghana wants the na to say Black Stars new sponsor Mara is not licensed. Bank of Ghana wants. It's uni ni dinkita ho bia na to say Wama enkai boye fi Bank of Ghana hono ayewo asim here. Government assurance is not enough. Jail Aisha Juan kenashibe ena eka sasemi inti se eka Galamsey asem na eka Aisha Juan asem na kenashibe de na no atum bi no kenashibe. So how can he jump into such a conclusion?
He
has absolutely no right with Nini or one to jump into such an unfair conclusion.
Okay.
Because only the two to say we're practicing an illegality, I don't think it will be fair.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ghana folks who are consumer, we are seeking for justice for Ghana folks who are consumer. So akokati baby at the same. In as much as we are thinking that the deal that Aisha Juan has taken us through as a country, it does not warrant emotions. It is the law, and they say taking a due course. But mama me and in jail says it.
Okay, ane kenashibe de no ena Aisha Juan kroya so de wa ha. Lance Minister Jinapo and so funny the house say Aisha Juan will be convicted and thrown in Ghanaian jail. Not just no so ehwasem and Lance Minister and ekasa asemi. Iti ba kubi so wa ha in pictures where not as a picture story no ekwa peman celebrate Ojura festival. Me did sa Adom TV ama wo hu sa amane ne amamre dodo no e koso ewo Ojura afahye no asefi se etwa bibia echechero bibia ma wani so hu bibia. Shame on Akufo-Addo Frema Osei Opare for and my him one brofuna mi hunubo REN
reneging on Mohammed's entitlement. Renege. There's a mono idea says omoye no omonye, you know.
Emma Mahama no.
Yes.
Na yesa nkomo ye maka ne mapani Mahama no omonye. Ene ne yese Yakufu Addo ne maami ose free ma opare. Akosia ne di ye me den yesi shame unto you. Say mo anye ne sa nti no. Valerie Sawyer ena eka sa asem no. Police announced 100k Ghana cedis bounty for information on war killers. Adom kase abo ho amane dada. Enti eno ho asem enso eno no nti myjoyonline.com dear wahani.
Mami me enra na me tie yi my two. Obisa question na nwum bi na ebo. Na no wo bisa se okwa aware ebisa na na wo ho ana.
Okwa aware ebisa no bia enye sika na ya ho. Okwa aware ebisa. Ya to ache gatem. Ha na dipa do bia kwa aware.
No bisa na se
na social media na dey worry dizi.
Asam obisa
asam be kwa aware ebisa siansa no. Ebusu ya na.
Wo ho ne ya na.
Yemusa hwe. Opa ebisa PR.
Jese eni ho.
Of course South Africa go busa. Ko bo asi obusa. Oko ni kuru wa ko mo ko busa. Can you know them work just like that? Our year was adie hunhia.
O my he wo cause.
Na me cause man no ni. Me tell waka me cause man no. Me gibre ma busuafo me no cross pass. Ye ti omo asehwe bua abakosem ene ye nchi na sefo. Me gibre wie no. Ai hu se mu da ofan ana efiba asante dako. Because it's a good
any o say you want some. You want
ubusa.
I say ubusa.
And yes me question I'm just ubusa.
Na musa ka me come anim.
Sahu.
Onko fa ayida on. Kayiri bombom.
To mo musa.
Na piaro how nyina o wi asi nyina.
People na dia.
Elbesia.
But I asked him here, mom. And then they said they were sending decoration. I already beside no chain. They all cut around and animal.
Musa.
I asked him, one of my two beside. See, something now, Bessie, my beside. Wrestler, a quino, what and I want my brand, Mumuso, Osmo. Mumuso, and her appearance and I can go.
Oh, she saw my in the fusu. Until
oh, nothing your fusukra. Oh,
okay, tell me for your holiday. Yamobia for Fida, but I now want to show Badwam Sokrano. Say, Omraswan, I have Bisamo because you're consigned. Okosaya, I am new, and Subiana, ooh. I have Bisam. The holiday, but Adom TV, dear. Any holiday, yes, some more sad to Koswana share Adom TV, Pamcho, Yamamache, Edamase.
Esa mo kwaba kese bi nsan de ba Adom TV so Adom TV so ane de nkoma hodo ensa ka gu kansi mo ane de bro me de Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch back up the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunya ekon quantum coordinates model in Sakana no penso e Ghana agudi ejao a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with the very first step yenchas here emfam feed the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana Mountain Camp World Cup no enchi bia na etimia sant of MC bam nyame adoma ye de ho hyehye so kwa wodo a ye kruchi de agu nkrata so no betua san brew na on sena nyama esieko but in the meantime no ka say de Black Stars of Ghana kopie mu e France almost any some be ahosisi ene Brazil for and de ayokogura kensi ba ko be prapre mpam adwade ansa na mepam no yakọ World Cup proper na kasa say after Brazil game no yes sa hwanim se ni Nicaragua for enso be hyesia ka me no ka say de coach Otu Ado ana fe 26 players omo training e wo France hye so e hwanim se nyame adoma Brazil for bedu a on betia say komadi na koma na say goalkeeper Richard for na fe so air striker de Felix afene jan omo adjoin the rest of the squad no amo preparation betia saboa e ma nyama etia sa kwedi amom na emu kompon fe ni twen sanchirem e Black Stars camp na fe hwese na training no esieko into the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana Mousisi no and a boy near command near hwese na nyama esieko so but new Black Star player and a defender ba kwa we trinity no Tariq Lamti on also Asha said ya Mousisi ni 8 years apem so chese wo hwese na nyama esieko na ene nije pi e na ho ase obepim e Black Stars camp na mum on also hwanim se nyame adoma on also betia contributing quota to the national A team na boa e ma nyama etia koye ediamom me no ka say de ohwese na nhyene city a Blasters of Ghana wɔn enso etime Tarek Lamte fa so a mugidi pa sɛ Samrantia be ka wonde de ebetu team ne menkyene na boa mom dwumadi omudi no ayefefefe.
Good. Training has been really good. It's good to get to know everybody. It's a very high quality here, and we're working hard in training to listen to what the coach has to say, and looking forward to the game. Yeah, everyone's been fantastic. Everyone's been very welcoming. Talking to everyone, getting to know everyone. Yeah, it feels like a family here, so it's all good. Yeah, I'm very proud to be here, and I'm really just trying to train hard, give as best as I can for the team, and looking forward to the game on Friday. In this game, you have to we're preparing really well. You prepare how you prepare to play, and we're all really excited and looking forward to playing against on the team on Friday. To be honest, I'm just really excited to come here and get to work now, and being here is I'm
Enti Tarek Lamte and Atene can say defender Edema the senior national soccer team Blasters of Ghana also Edem Komo 8 Mensa but in Komo our assistant coach Edema Blasters and Dini George Boatin and also HSA home base players Omanya eye collab e Blasters no mirom ho na ebetien sanboa e ma omso etien san chirombobre e Blaster team.
How can we find the next gem, the next Michael Asian, the next Stephen Appiah, the next Asamoah? How can we find these players? Which is through our national teams. Sometimes you don't need a player to have already a big name to be an outstanding player. You can find a gem. How many World Cup games have we seen? There's a player comes on the scene. I remember vaguely when I was young, a striker from Italy, Toto Schillaci, never heard of. And he came on the scene and started scoring goals. So it's the same with the local players here. We as staff are monitoring it really closely, and we are watching to see who is capable of to join the team, to push some of these boys who are international level out of the squad. Now, what they need to do more, which I understand, when you are a local player and you come with the Black Stars. Example, Thomas Partey is playing for Arsenal, Emirates, played for Atletico Madrid. He's a top player, right? So I can understand when a local player joins the camp and he sees Thomas, it's like, wow.
They're starstruck.
Yes, yeah. You know, which is understandable. I think what we do very well as staff is we have individual chats with them, especially the local players, and we try to give them the confidence that you are here not because by a merit. You are here because you've deserved it. You've earned the right to be here. Now go out there and enjoy yourself. Make sure that we see you. You do the right things at all times.
And see, there's a Blasters assistant coach George Boatin Atene Council also. Brofo de ne ho kakra na afi okeka boss man say yenye na nyame adoma we ni hihya wo betuen say disu na boa e ma niam etia kwedi man club issues mu dia na say has ofofo enso bibia metwem a wo mo any Malian side from say real Bamakufo and at the second round of the 2022-2023 a CAF Confederation Cup against the betuen say pim na omunuanu kuma say asan horo no mu ginam e o CAF Champions League na so na ada omo etra say e makadiogufo e de omudogo no e be yi omu firi mu a hwese ne Mexico so a na no adamanfo a e de straw atwen kwan okumas na nya asem keto kora na aro wosem apim no bisi sabri mpemfo bi kura okumas no omatia kada okumas e omutim be piem onkrampuni mantema we nyina e aro wosem ni bi batas de omo so ahu omo opponent a omo ne omo de akensi de betua sampem so we enhye ba kwa no so wetia baso the FA Cup winners yi omo ebe travel no de money etian Sanchez Mali na mako face e omo opponents no we first leg encounter between the 7th and 9th of October and Sakins case betua baso start the Modibo Keita I want Sakins case betua Santudwa na omo air traveler there's a second leg no and also 7 days later e baso Accra Sports Room has full for just almost so much for na so bia nyesusu MPC kase bebetia boa emaniama etia kwedi amomti ukoma na se AS real Bamakufo no omo defeat AS Duanis for and also na omo fi Burkina Faso and also na penalties 3-1 and Ekoba say almost the silly true Oma qualify for the second stage of the qualification game and also 8 years akoso e CAF Confederation Cup nim. It's winner of the tier no nyame adoma be secure a place in the group stage no of the competition ti we a level has eboa emane metia kwedi amoma almost ehwenim se nyame adoma omba reach the last season no they were eliminated by Algerian side from say GS Sura for playoff against Kesi no so 8 years to 20 we enhihya and also 8 years PM Adia ma house of folk for into house of folk supporter dia na nyaba no se nyame adoma wo mo ene Bamakufo and a CAF Confederation Cup against Kese no ebetimi atentam so we so na megina na media nenso so no ebetimi sensi hye so ma se Jeffas Health Limited wo de Jeffas mixture anaba on setimi kan bia infections bia attitude bia prapra haraba no bo kama ema otimi di nchine che bo modern da sound sabetia kan bebo a ema niam etia koye dia ma 1xbet have always told you that betting is better than soccer bet there in tasma we change so twan before within before abusuan de japade bi siska wo ko agya wasase ka ne si wanya hwe mobile phone kwado reduce seka ya boys be mauska fani na kogu so faketo akwaje kese wotwane before wadi before na boa ema wonya financial freedom ene intense wo fie hye de ntia mu kan na obi abode danso 1xbet enom de mu hagim so bet di wa eya Bomtia na odi adwene kakra etia sato bet with money that you can afford to lose and I feel so timi etwa so di bet withdraw 90% of winnings na yes ebejeje wa no asad 9 eni aka na say guso bet na fa kon se nwa mesel omodi ada 1xbet ho dan se na ba be de ho hyehyɛ so kon 8% ja we mu any sponsors le tuturu to ni atwitwi na no penso mo ta chiri boae ema ayefofie dey ye dey awokense hu sempan sakan 8 ja cheno so ma me say press radio de mufa in terms of production here no so property see no dey go a part so ma say jiko kan say e dey say bofo se fa na hokra ono so ya dey pa afidache we too much baby a obi aju too na senior most osmosis we ya dey pa so property dey kan ye hye 30% to me so wonderful camera crew na finkofo so a floor manager say boama ne metin kwei munna ma ya dey sister Sandy be a guy ana eba me pacho Ghana had the entertainment prefect no eba akopɛ me adoma ma mi e de nkoma say ya che ho na ne yankan su ni yakan su kakra bi ana ode ba ne komo de say na ne komo de sa na bibi so ede nti abusua mommode akoso am afide nda Adom TV Adom TV so me de professor Ike wala sa gudi catch back mashabranki
se papa ye mo akwa ba bi me Adom TV Badwam na o hye no ye da sister Sandy be a guy ye da na say on Sandra Kapun so say wo mo de ahosepena bre na holiday nti no me sure say wa u feel so what you say ai enna fofie dawuda umpemu papa bim ya me hira opa so agebre ehwe na obi an tenafie nyamrema ho pressure na wo system nim no so nti enne ya yesi yenyi ahome no enye wo too busy sa unless wadwuma no to say ye mu de e bi dia fine basa wa ye wadwuma na wo wadwuma ya mamo holiday nya time wo ne family no na mo reflect on aniema bi because kone ye basa nti ma ye nheda nya time ma ye hu ye ni di nkomo nkra no nkomo wo mo hu I think any time na wo se wo no man tena se na mu di nkomo bi se wo questions awa betin sam e wo wasum nti ene mpre wo hu mpie nko ba bia na de ne nko ade papa ma me tena fie ne nko ne pe e tena be se akọ tena pe da fie na ji wa hu na wa be hu difference ene o tena any days aka no na me sure pass o Adom TV me dey afia amankwa tamaklo ene Dr. Time da so ai no watch TV no ni ade na woda enti CEO oda medimafo herbal clinic wo Kumasi Abuakwa aka Dr. Time da so happy birthday from Parkwesi relationship and customer care officer multimedia any team ni nyina Badwam so kan ho so yasene ena yetumi di show ne banti na ye wawoda nyame enhira onye okese kusi so obeye kese pa happy birthday ne the birthdays ne dos meye bia mamoate ntimi ye ba ko a ne ato aso nti mewie Dr. Time da so mesa ba me ame ma me ba ko so ai mama bi onu so ne birthday me ba no ma ba wish ne ye ti me wo Pastor Daniel Anan ti di obe ti me afrena ne Pastor Dan eno di across ye funu mo kra teda he say abribi o man ho kwan ene yetie ensem a ehye nkran a etumpon tie ne aye ye nyina ye gya ba ko pe Dr. Kwame Nkrumah na wodaidie na se hu behia si enya no na afa ni nim de nyame de adom no one ye nche ene nkomo no ese ye hwe Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ye di na woda sanko wote ase a edie ene ma no ye great leader nti si enya sa futuo yi efree Pastor Dan ho a na ne yenso ye koi yenso ye hunu qualities bia eno so betumi aboa ye ni aye kandi ni pa ti na meka se ne nko ba bia atena se wapie nso atimi share live on Facebook/Adom TV na fe ye nkomo no aye kama Reverend Daniel Anan Pastor Dan na ye frɛ no papa no pɛ ye mu ache
ya me de
ya da se pa o enne holiday di enka nja woni abusua no a ka dodo ho kakra nso eja oma entime nkwati nkofre obi na ye papa ye former president Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Odedi na ye say wo so oba na obekire ye sa great leadership quality no a ewo ne mu ana say ema ye hu say no ye kandi ni pa no abekire na fa sie na ye de yi so kwan ya ye nso ebetimi atutu ya na mo ye na ye nya sa akandie nimdie ni bi time mo akwaba
ya me amede hu na efe
me da se a so hu efe
pa wa kire holiday na se
ai na de ya sisi aba
dress down
ai no ani abre
ina ye
sa
ye Kwame Nkrumah ho asem a Kwame Nkrumah ewu ya che nanso ne din eda so eda ho ewo nipa adwenem nipa disuam ene nipa brabom dintra leadership ye kakase bi say everything starts and ends with leadership bibia be koso ana bibia be giegua ejira kandie so enye so onu ye omampanyi odi kanti ye wa mampanyimfo bebi omudi kan nanso na enye papa edie na ma ne de ne ye damfia ene dansoa number 1 enyamsro kogana bakosem Kwame Nkrumah time ena nyamsro nyamsom Pentecost ene Apostolic Church ejinai obi onim history bia on the first nanka ni Pentecost na Apostolic Church first na ba ko Apostolic Church Ghana na ba ko Apostolic Church Koma Ghana okay na denti na munya anya mkro na na moso na we mfa din foforo the Church of Pentecost is always grateful to Dr. Kwame Nkrumah e how deeper na nyamsum ni nyamsum obo ho a nyamsum ni nyamsum wo ni mu no onfa ma bontin kutase kuta Bible nemum otenase ewo ni mu but eya ne bi wa no nkaninti no eya na nkofo de niam bebre de foreforo e de foreforo wa ne datatawo e de taretare wa na ma akoyese wo de wo yobusumsum ni Ghana obi anhwa abakosem ebra ene charismatic churches by power Ghana Rollins time okay obi a kohwe Action Chapel first ICGC your friend say ni nyina ba Rollins time e dinta but once you can Rollins when you baby kwa ya na ya nhwe nyamesum ni nyamesuro no na mu ya hwe other negatives Kwame Nkrumah nyamesum ni nyamesuro wo ni mu na boa no enu ti se obi epese oya akandie ho adwuma na oyi nyame efirimu a obo anyi the tosumienu eye people centeredness Kwame Nkrumah de bi oye bia no odwini nipa ho nipa mo cho ene Kwame Nkrumah fie emfa na wo ohunu Kwame Nkrumah japade bi o si ehun Kwame Nkrumah japade ene ye bibia no ye bia no oya ade bebua nipa people centeredness inti oya kwan osi school oya factories a ni nyina e na meya ebebua nipa inti akandie a wo ye bia udi kan esanse nipa nti inti nipa nti dia wo tiase a ya de bebua nipa nyatoso miensa he lived his dream no owani swade hunu no owani swade hunu mo no ankasa no owani swade hunu o se Kwame Nkrumah na me yetenzima fodi o Kwame Nkrumah na be projectenzima ana Kwame Nkrumah project even fante obaya de bi o kasa o kan fante inti Kwame Nkrumah live sa dream no say I will lift Ghana. Mama Ghana be jam pempenso bi a ebeye krabehwe. Inti no oye visionary leadership. Na onim baby a okro. Inti obehwe But the Kwame Nkrumah and Nema no on say and Nuntina baby antenase. Nanko for your agents or 2 Ricardo. But you share ne Kwame Nkrumah Nemo ye yes. It is Abrano and can this what do na Kwame Nkrumah nya ye nipa kakra bi so musa Kwame Nkrumah ya tawachia. And Kagana yes Singapore. Kagana yes Singapore straight. But yantiase ya dwen ne say o penima ma no ho. Ana say o peso ye bribia on sa de bia wo nipa de nim ne o ye no no fi say no if ya second wasam. Ye buni nya nim tia. Ena moto ye yetima bi foforo. Ya bi o. Madam so de ya patcha. Wawa. Concrete ye di quota patch. Ghana hunu bi.
They say they are saying no cry.
Yes. But share visionary leadership or 60 years. Oh yes, I did. Or Bridget Tama and Accra. And the moon tremor leader beer with me build a city. Any be. You can't see a capital a free Accra Kododoa. Kabashi Mele.
And
that's true. But Kwame Nkrumah no or that visionary leadership. No or any strategic education. And into share schools are Kwame Nkrumah schools here baby. Bebre ya santua. Bebre schools bebre that type. We know some schools this that type now. Osini yes. Chubakodua ya santua biwo bebre.
And then ejina show.
Up to now.
And 21st century they could
I'm telling you. Maybe them go school, Kwame Nkrumah school so say no what vision for education say onipa beye nipa dachia ye man entity e wa desua enti wo ma education pacho nothing Ghana or say mamuntu fees because of honey nipa dey poor enti nothing Ghana no go school free and ne hwe nipa a produce generative from nothing Ghana e boa Ghana abrabo ni Ghana economy. And you know our visionary leadership in terms of education, no visionary leadership in terms of infrastructure and industrialization. Sure. Processing companies will be here. Oh, and
yeah, the big cry I saw them.
Oh, no, the baby am I saw that. If you go to off road, yeah, Toby, but also and can. Sanka ye timi ya anya no hwebo ene ye de kakra bi kan ho a me pato commander su factory hwe ho asebrebe Kwame Nkrumah shase enye Kwame Nkrumah it you know our vision leadership our education or vision leadership infrastructure and say industrialization no vision leadership say memma ebe government structure enya mamu ebe obia me pacho Kwame Nkrumah o se timi ka se no de ofa nipa wo de omunim hwe this Kwame Kwache o want is house oh this is Kwame Kwache I stand here in the feet of Osajifo of Osaje near the there and I ask water open bathing 50 never say person can say one tibrofo ofa nipa bi ni so mon tibrofo ofa nipa bi ot kobodu say yes, Kobodu say, Okucho Bekwe, Pacho Kobodu say, Munsha Kobodu say. Ofa Kobodu say, be ye great politician, onsenanye intellectual. Ga Accra, na de asking shani nipa ofa market people, ordinary people. Ofa oma say, enye say, uko school nkwa na otimiye nipa. Nemom oman chichiriye no. Onipa bia betimi aboa bi uyo dwadini o uyo kuani o uyo hwan o enti Kwame Nkrumah hunu se no metimi afa nipa bia enti ma nipa bia obi afi so onya hwe no o wadwene nko ade a yamane nya DC hwe papa bi kan se mi and I will give him that credit Yolo Kolinde mi tie no kan se mi o se adwena ye de cleaner no sa adwena na de chief executive officer so man tia say na nature ni so be a cleaner no on pay fee wo ba bia wo de ne kotra akonwa so say onye chief executive a obeye adwuma no say me pay fee e ya adwene kro no a Nti Kwame Nkrumah hunu sɛ nipa no ɔte sɛ den a wadwene bi yɛma ne mmoa no ntimi nyo. Sa leadership one patriotism, visionary leadership, people-centered, and God-fearing. These were 4 key things. No odi adwuma. Nti ama ene Kwame Nkrumah ni ho no odaso woni pa akomam. Obi bisa Lady Diana say, "Adentina ya wonya ho so hima." Or say, "I want to live in the hearts of people." Kwame Nkrumah sa no ye. No de bi opese otena se woni pa akomam. Nti wo mom di Kwame Nkrumah chire say, "Nkrumah never dies." Neche say odaso to akomam. Ne ye ne su ne niam oye odi sisi akwam no ewo ho. Onipa bia yenka hu say nanso oben ewo ho. Na me enhwe nanso oben no. Yenhwe papa no ne ensua. Na anu momu ayen. Ma yentimi nya ade bia ebeso ani ebebo ani padachi.
Sa Pastor na ka say no kra pa o. As a negative na Nkrumah ye nyina ya ma meto no so enka sempa. Ase wa anya hwi bi say enso tie de na Pastor Dan de amaye sa so na former president Jerry Rawlings enso sa so ene yaken na pen so sorry I no so be rewura mu tie de ya obi a woni ne enso but o se yenka papa no yema papa no eni animu ensene de enye no se be ya obi nso nkosua because enye de ya obi enipa be ye pese ye hwe e de enti na enye ma me nkoye nti sa na afi ye de bone ne ba be hye papa anemu mayena ya boafo ya St. Andrew Senior High School awofo ne abatan yemfa yemanom enko Kelkate toothpaste nso eno ana ye de twitwi yensen eyenkra de anopa ene anwumre ye twitwi obase saa efama me kidi mini syrup nso akra onidie akra ompeduane unya kidi mini syrup ne bi ede manoa obedi define ama ho atumi atonti awofo ne abatan enhyedo nso saa emmame happy birthday enkoma mama bi anase mama Abigail ai miame kuma roda ne maame nimpon no nti ye maame prekope enene odina wodane nti happy birthday mama bi nyame hira onye okese kosi se obeye kese pa enene me se birthday no edoso happy birthday biomu nkoma precious edu jamfi ye we show abundant happiness and love. Now, we birthday to one of the sweetest people I've ever known from Obedopon Amufa and always precious Edujenfi a happy birthday. Nyamisha na onya okese pa and nothing. Happy birthday from Jamel Kamara, CEO of JB Forge. Edian DBO Haminti. And he also wish ne daughter Amara Kamara. A happy birthday enti nyamishira o fada Alhaji Baba Kamara happy birthday Kamara busiani nyina wehye Amera Kamara a happy birthday nyamishira na onye okese kusi so obeye kese pa fi osmosis die nso de ba ye nie happy birthday nkoma Gatuso Bernard ene Alonso Benjamin omo twins omo ye police officers omo na Vrongo Upper East region happy birthday nkoma mo officers nyamishira mo nyamenya mo kese kosi sebo beye kese pa ne 21st September obi a wo do birthday bia no nyamishira wo nyamenya okese wo de na ntimi ama ya wish mu nyina happy birthday nyamishira mu nyina no onye mo kese Piwak Natural Health omo 3P garlic mixture medofo garlic yenim de ye we ye nipadua mu se blood pressure na hawo menstrual pain and stress ana se kesiye bebre asthma nom unya 3P garlic mixture ni binum a wonse na wanya wa hoden prekope okọ pharmacy ne herbal shops bia mu a ubenya bia to anom 3P na dem ba akope kokope bia etonom Piwak Natural Health for the dia ba 0248 928 824 0248 928 824 na woni Piwak Natural Health akasa dodo na wo petu a na wafre ba ko nso a na no nso wafre na won ache obabia obenya bi mene Pastor Dan ene te ha no pay edi nkobo Kwame Nkrumah de enti a ehunu ne se oye great leader obubu mu abafom ame nyina ya te ho ase enti ene enei papa mesa mu akwa ababiem
ya mem de
enti en ohwe Nkrumah de na ohwe ene yenso ye time ya ohwe aye nam ne path mu kakra de
And then I say sakakra. Oh, say, yantimi ansua the values of Kwame Nkrumah. Okay. Yantimi on sanke bi o ananka Ghana sanke bo modin ma Kwame Nkrumah honhoma ye kyerɛkyerɛ ya kebeboa. Oh, say, enem no yesese ye ne se yenhwɛ ne ma papa eboa oman kyerɛkyerɛ ne mfa wura nipam. Okay. Patriotism. God bless our homeland Ghana. That national anthem. Yeah, Shibunsem. Where's Womo? Do and make our nation great and strong, bold to defend forever the cause of freedom and of right. Fill our heart with true humility. Make us cherish, fearless, honesty, and help. That's it. One will say, me opesa uhunu o men bia ni swade hunu bre chichere o mana shomo national anthem. And I say, op me pese me hu se Ghana 70s dia na ekoso tie nwuma na ebo. Ubehunu sisia. So opesa hu 2000s mu se na Ghana tie hwe nwuma ye ebo.
Ene asamuda ye so. Nwuma ye bo na edie.
Ebe kire o pepepe. Enti etese enem mem no. Ye fiase ehunu se obeyo kandini we abrante we ababa wa se wo sha ase nyina akande adwuma na wo ye na se de wo ye bia no eya abomodin na fa nyamsuro eya ade se nyamsuro wo mu a me ya ade tewa medwene ho se nyamsuro no mu a mfa no
uhuni pakrasa
yes kaisa ade bia wo di ye wo nu bia no ebesa bawo so na eba so ebeba mpredu ti ye careful udua papa so a papa beba ma na to so mienu yenye patriotic yem do mamba pa umyen kansem papa mfa Ghana Ghana be yi ese yenye ni da so sa Kwame Nkrumah de bia no kasava Ghana. And I like one other leader I always rise, President Kufuor. President Kufuor my speech be area obe shira Ghana. And ne upeso hunu so be your candidacy mapa ne chi dia na koso. Your friend be leadership legacies. President Kufuor free so na nipa dun so hunu so betima president. It is a your candidacy mapa we chi no u produce nipa bebre omo tesa wo. E de bia betra konya so. It dia na ka wasem. Wo teso no as I say wo do wo man na o mani do yi kire na wo yi kire yen. Ene wo se ne NDC MPP obi asodema President Kufuor. He's a hero now. She adwene health insurance and niema bi ode ba menkasa wo momadi kan anamo obi aye ne de. Na so o se nipa yi mu almost stand out because na patriotism ne yeden doso. Yam do nipa yanya de bebu nipa. Uye MPO, uye hwanyo, uye young person. Start from your community. Baby out here, dear near be ye betimi aboa community no. Yam fem free o me enye se ade a me ye me pesika.
Me peme nko ame.
Mfantefo bu baby there. Wankudi. Ba da kana ade nche me mfanto aso.
Wankudi.
Wanku ida.
Onko.
Eye. Ade nche. Nti menye ma wanku pese me nkuminya no doso. Abrantie bi kan se mi kire me. Vincent Oshegbe ukano. Vincent no director wa. Na many Oshe kase mi kire me. Ne tika no ka say oh we say this kind of man is come say Oshe I no yen tem man is kasa say. So my man is kan no a obey kronfo ba be wia me dachi. What am you say me? So also obu a wo bua no bua na wo bua no eyi ne firi abrabo boni bim. Inti ene mrantie ne mabawa ye ba ye gini in leadership no. Ye fanya misro. Number 2, ye ndo ye mind. Number 3, ye mani power dwene endorse we mu. Number 4, ye mbisa se e die na meja e wa chiri. Me chiri asem no ye beka ne sei. Ni mfa pese minkuminya enante. Wanku da.
Anko eda say. Enti Pastor Daniel Anan life coach and then so what you phone to Ankudi what faso so fie e be gire no so na enna for fie da papa bia e de am yesi anyi ya home nanso moda romanti e pese so pa no efisem komoyi emfansi ha happy birthday Dr. Time Daso. Let me show no your kese. Pa Kelkit toothpaste, Kidney Mini syrup, St. Andrew Senior High School, Pure Natural Health, Obakofa 3P Garlic Mistaba. Yadamasi bebre wow share yen live on Facebook. Yadasi a few more officers. Yamisha Munina Bako. Ye kwe omahine. Pabna Sante ede. Pensem muno bro. And neno. Once I for few dent yedi BBI possible. Yede bro. Bye bye.
Well, because what I'm doing, I'm going to Badwam on Adom TV, multi TV. So, a brass said in Pensem, a bro, na a quenya or my own sweat me a jibre, and a year and como. My main cow says, so a gun and ya bribia I dear Bakwam de cow. Be a proud Ghanaian, it's very important, and continue to exhibit these qualities: truthfulness, transparency, honesty, patriotism, and love for your country. It's very important. So who exhibited these values and known a boa manya akukudro shonko ma ogana yeno ogana ni yeno ewie a year payo. And your chest should be out that we are Ghanaian. There's a reason why you are Ghanaian. And to be bia de Ghana ebe ko a year in kunimdim edi ani munyambe bre Ghana edi akwenya be ba me etimaton Ghana positively. Be that person that will contribute towards that cause. So help me, God. Then we come to the regional pledge. Inti baby abu to be whichever region, be a proud person from that region, whether Eastern, Ashanti, Ahafo, Bono East, Volta, Savannah, all those other areas, Western, North, Central. Just be proud. Inti me me free Ahafo. Nti obo din a me odu din hye na waka kire won se de nkunimdie ene mabunu asetenam yedi ene buo ni anidie bebre Ahafo region eno na megina ho de ma Ahafo nti erade boa me na me fa sa kwanya osuso nka se homecoming festival no 3-day homecoming festival no so ebeba so on the 30th 31st of December and the 1st of January 2023. Ahafo homecoming, the biggest event ever region, and under the able leadership of George Boache, regional minister, and Nananoma Wanwa Ahafo Nkunya. So we thank you, Nananom Madaroma, Anna Sakwanya Kasiesi, your House of Chiefs President, Yamfo Mahine. So proud of you, your capital Goso Mahine. So proud of you. Amai hene wo ayafo ensase so nyina say Kofi amai hene papa bi ebriw odene ho kwabnansia. So proud of you. All amai hene ni ahemfo ahodo nyina no yenyi bi mfiri mu. We are so proud of you. Na yena eye committee no so as both the local and the national one nyina the oda no no ye CEO Bechem United Kings Cottage CEO Agama Dr. Kingsley, and Nana Basua, and Casa Rosa. I think I got it correct. And the entire team, we are so grateful for the good work Amoye said Yebeya homecoming, a bit me dimona every period. Yaba back to studio. Na yeka say there Bernard and PC Atinase. They say born at Nasia because on they say one koye bushia chiami and so yeah if you rap precope nifini and he needs no introduction, especially on a holiday. Go on your time kaka for no offer sino na just a page anymore at the abbey. When I did that CP beginning say offer on one in him no offer. Or what offer cheap as no offer on one or penasem. And the offer more quarter. It was your chair and another pay. Now, minim say mini Kofi share hada. It's strange you. Kofi turn to your gun and need this year a brand here the whole day na all purpose of so by Ghana. Vawatna man on it na brabo do na America to be precise. Ghana so epijani mu Emma Ghana ye embassy e wo amanone mechi America na ogyina mu yie wɔ hɔ ɔne yɛ ambassador den no edi nkita ho kɛseɛ on behalf of Ghana ɛwɔ America kudu anim ana enei through the Ministry of Information yasa to nsa frɛ ne sɛ ɔmmra Ghana na ɔmbɛtoa ne dwuma pa ɔyɛ ne so na ɔmfa mmoa Ghana na ɔnyɛ an inspiration to majority of the people into youthful activism and decent politicking. Nti Mr. Semisha no ada there feel na Misha ba me nua dada Kofi Tonto sa na nipa dodo na e de frɛ no Kofi Akwaba. Thank you for your time. So eyi wadaroma yenka bi nhye mu na enu ada mom ye ka bi hye mu prekope mo ne ye be bon komo se mo susuye mu no enu ba bi tochew kakra ewo titiu electoral commissioner ono nhyehyɛ a ono di egu akwan mu se de be ya 2024 abato no ye betu be wi no se de mo amosisi dua no mo se no court 2024 na dia mo beji bere asa court ne ko kyerɛ mu na we ni sie na we nti mo pese bibia mbeda ho na akwaso mo keka nioma bebre enioma bi ni a mekai bi ne se ayonkofa eda electoral commission fo ni bi no mo entem ene MPP a eya amana koye te se anaye te se edi adanse se woni pese omo ye bukata for 2024 elections no ye toso biem mo kyerɛ mu de nti amususu se saa nkitahudi amudi wo iPac no mo nya madwene ne anase ebrebi ebeda yanim se mbekɔ akɔtena ase ne under the watch of Jane Mensa no mo ne be din nkitaho afen so mo sa kyerɛ mu se Ghana card nhyehyɛ a ye de kɔ mrahye bedwam ama akoye tumi krata original so de be churotchuro ne ma bebre no ɛhɔ no yentu ye bo askakra na enkɔfa nipa dodo na anim na tokuru bi edem no yentuatua wi ansa na yagisa ehyehyɛ no atum ne kura no mu nsusue mu no mo sisu said there is a connivance ana mischief issue mo am word issue na e maami Jane order na di e won nhyehyɛ with mo party NDC no tie bia na ebi ka ho bi ma mentimi an capture na mentimi wadaroma nantie mu de ade potia mo pese mo achieve with sa nkoma enu adamu ne Ghana for the central for boy
yo man pay me that na sorry o man hene na memfa kwanya sunsunchi a ahwefo ana etiefu na me ni akofini ma wa chance as an other day they can share akofini
na every minute
I think that's about it me na be sure
that's for because I'm say rather on radio okay good
so they have me they are democracy
yes good
na enenso ye da pon na kese pa ma Ghana I'm say na ye o man penyin a ono na odi Ghana be boade e fan say ono no je Ghana esi ho je mfi nkwasum se na yeti asifi school bremu ano o certificate of come nkroma ne afishiada na yemu binum de yesu se senia obenfo atamils ebe hyehyɛ brana oyo man panyin ma Ghana no se eneye the real founders day se da Ghana ye de chichiri nti ye prepare se ye de be share o certificate Dr. Kwame Nkrumah na woda na ayenka idum kese a abribia mu no linkage no be easy mebum ne wonga sebisebio efe na wori fiase eba be hu Ghana ba kosam no bitimi ati ase prekope nti me fa sa kwanya so na ya ma Ghana fu nyina atiri nkwa because on tiase nti yentimi nka se ne nkwa so baby a obi anyankopon fa ne kransie kuzi na ahia kopim se Ghana be wo ha kopim ebia wiase awie no ye be ko so aka ne se ono no be konkoden titiru pa eje Ghana si ho ma eje ehun fi ingresi abrofo nsem maybe no oman Ghana fa ye fa ne se mamu ahoro be bien na biesam ya to aba ayi amampanyinfo Afei nso ebinom de sebio wɔn amfa kwan anasa abato kwan so ne bɛyɛ amampanyinfo. In any form no Ghana fufa ni nyina mu. Kapem sɛ 1992 yɛn adwen sɛ sisede yɛbɛsɛ yɛyɛ dodo wa memu. Sɛ na binom bɛka sɛ kabina menka bia memu no. Nti ɛsɛ sɛ political party biara de ne ho. Ɔwɔ kwan a ɔfa so a mmara wo ho a wɔde form political parties. Ghana fa commissioner for ana commission for electoral commission for bɛyɛ ahorow anan nsɛm so bɛka ya nea to so anan yɛ maame Jemensa na kwan a wɔfa so yi ne predecessor no ɛma amanfo bebree na akoma nto wɔn yam kyerɛ sɛ na yɛmu binom susu sɛ mampenya Akufo-Addo wɔ adwempɔ foforo susu sɛ ɔpɛ ebia electoral commissioner ɔbɛbɛ tie ne ɔbɛka bia no ayɛ ama no ampani ampa nso no maame ɔde na adwuma kyɛ nsa sɛ electoral commissioner chairman of the electoral commission sɛ ameka no sa maame Jemensa ɔne NDC fo ayɔnkofa enya ade a ɛkɔyie ɛhyɛ ase fibra yɛwɔ IPAC kɔpem sɛ maame no kwan a no fa so ebu yɛn mpanyinfo a wɔkɔ represent yɛn wɔ one meetings ase no anim tia no na enso ani ne yɛ kyerɛ pefe sɛ ohwɛ a asɛnea na ayɔnkofa wɔ MPP fam no ɛyɛ ada ne ho ededodo ɛna ebia ne abegyere owura Bosman Asare sane ɔno nso ne nkasa ebia ɔkɔka radio station a kyerɛ sɛ NDC political party a yatena Ghana ha a preside over see a bit mahyehyɛ constitution ni de aba abesi na ultimate can say a threat to Ghana's democracy na enya de etwa ye because kusi na hia we referee de obi abetimi aka no paachiro referee de obi abetimi protest e de to even football games ho a o de ane say obeye fair obegyina mfimfini na obi ahoso ampa watimi a judge bibia ekoso ewo field of play ya de bayan abatu mu ya wo political Ghana mra no makwan say ye multi party democracy ye beto aba ye bepania obetimi ahweso amayen eye electoral commission or enjoy a lot of independence and say otie obia directions and as a directives from any other court apart from niamra no ahwehwe ama no ya wa conventions ahorowa ohia from 1992 bepem day ye de aye adwuma ahorowa eboama ntiase on trust and understanding cohesion bebre ya ebema yengatimi atua na mo na aye papa no ye de abehye bebre from opaque ballot box and near there na from 92 you start say you used to be political parties ni shia chira doing yeah reforms yeah reviews but mami bai ono no nniye nya dia eso NDC ani em say dodo na anonym stories are making o committee grana o kosrewa eyasem o committee na o kosmalia eyasem afei nso yewo other political parties em say man we hwa Ghana mbra no kire kwan a offer social political party me boy anya yi kra na say unya office I think is it 1/3 or 2/3
across the length and breadth
of the country
percentage wise
exactly
I'm not sure
and some maybe wanga ma okwan say obi je watum say oh political
plus other legit requirements are all pass you through it's not just the offices new money be kika home udi mu wie peyo e ma ba ya manyu ko ya je watu
exactly
through the electoral
enti anya ye kra no ubenya officers from various part of the country one grab can why signatory to certificate and as application whatever you be can but political party nketen ahuru be bre akoso electoral commissioner na say electoral commission no adwuma say wo be hwe say samra no ebitima ye adwuma so obe audit political party bia na account ni nyina ye won adwuma amaye timi hu say ye nkofa parties bi ma sebi o about Zenia or Babe occupy space keke. Ubet me abua ma yen democracy per se, you know, etimi. But Nansay under Mami, Nene, you know, Sahono among you nent to Chini, Papa.
As in what? The political parties know or more banner?
Yes.
Say, you're qualified to be part of the process?
As to whether we're qualified now when you're qualified. Mementi as say, main party and can say, do na no, and you're qualified. As even more said, the over here, over form of political party. Sana memi hunene.
But since when? Now, stop Okabras until we meet all the requirements to form a political party. In fact,
does it mean
I can assure you, say, lots of political parties are coming up because minimum of what? Home frame is
Random Macron say party in this ceiling. Our data of political party be in jet 5 or 2 or 1.
But once you go through a process and the commission gives you, I think I'm afraid a temporal certificate or a certificate they give you.
Yeah.
And yeah,
provisional.
Provisional,
exactly.
Once you go through it, what's the challenge again with NDC and PP? What's my challenge?
And no na ama yen kitahudi or IPAC are problematic.
And to problem because Ansha Ansha it is
the streamline.
It's a bedroom pempenswa.
That's a set member.
Who say
Obiri abuse a honor because may nipa ba come party may want me provisional certificate. Yeah, confusion ye on a net dombo baby nipa 15. Ya kushia. Ya take a decision on a particular thing. What I say because of me political party say me back on a day. Ni amezume kano holds. And as a stand as against their confusion pepe.
But more representing an interest. The interest is a political party. That's it. Because one course who apply say oh personalities ayonko enkitaudina ye de mawa. Obi nsunche obi because you're a potential party in power. Say nay me want a party na electoral commission for ajimi atuma. Even though I don't have representation in parliament, it does not stop me from getting all the needed attention
at.
Well, we should be. That is what, but it should not be tied to a reason for a party to, in quote, stay off.
Either to. In fact, say be answer mami imrano. Na nkitahudi wo IPAC. Bo say yenti wontwi ne wetim waka me bia wo sa IPAC. Utie nkomodi a efi hoba. Young represents by alcohol. Sa brinu mansana ye twi en ho fi mu no. Agwa say ne move beer and this no, there is a deliberate attempt say other political parties say me best me use mami use minus no what I say will oppose it adibia say ye papo say ye bono because of say efi and this hoba no as say will oppose it na e man kita hodi wo ho no enso ani ba be na ko kan say be confuse ko because my name is preside over. No, he say fairness and now say beer. Ye makwana any more participatory. Be answer na drink near arrive at a particular conclusion. No, on no munakaza declaring intentions. So one kaza grompe when himself best right. Better no ako him. Ye fair no true. Inti until sasa mad best because NDC ye started participating with Ghana electoral process many. Since 1992. Ababie no have because NDC a boycott and now contest. Bepem na ye umi. Ye nya kwan Ghana for to about my. Am ya be di Ghana so. For 16 years so ya 8 years under Jerry Rawlings, 8 years under Mills Mahama. Inti ye stakeholder won't me kase sebi o de o betutu ye ngase. Na ebe anye ye kra no voter pattern Ghana regional basis yetimi winning regions are over and above half of the total regions and every constituency you were representative your office into your political party and can you cry no we this MPP and bibi kasa ye di kita ho a say yen kasa etimi du yechire kakra because
stopping Mukasan from saying no actually.
Machira onienti.
That the political
Machira onienti. Oko ho a nkomodi e ko so ho. Enso ani enya de a ema yan kwan say betimi participate.
But that's why I'm here worried because me person mu say since when did we get to this point? Because even at your time
under this leadership
Ekuadonko no a party be.
Ekuadonko.
No qualify in your side the per or measurement, you know. Now the party or domino. Now she initial keke no qualified.
I'm the honey or the pa.
No. Yeah. It's important because always a critical point.
Yeah.
That critical point is that
from there.
Political political parties ni bi ho no ma o ma ho odin to be political parties no enye ni so enti e be ye me MPP ni ana NDC ni ya say we mu de mo ba da be nti ye kan no mo so sebi
oh yeah yes on can be brand no but no
only o check for
exactly
that's what I'm saying
our big stake in it yeah the discussions no
ya be do pempen so a san komo we no ye blame obi say sa nipa we na amakwanyam ama obi asha na ote political party no no abedu o ma no abebi ni dwem
maka say ya fa commissioners ahoro bebrense anya ekura be ahoro ana obi abreso no na sade no na enye ntin te say na eje wo maame
but who encourages somebody to set up a political party
neatini unless say bia you behave say
I am here. I can decide if I me feel say me qualify.
You can
because I'm a political party.
You can, but
how can you stop me?
And yet, bibi aya and say obi amre bi keke. Ntini e won mra a govern. Kwanga obefa so ansa obenya.
Until we get the documentation to the effect.
Bati. Nti enya keke o. Even though e hope a gray area. So what I say yen hwenti me streamlining here say ampani ampai be so bit manya offices for various constituencies and san e bia ya ma final certificate. Even provincial certificate na saka ya no tumi ko apartment na me
even more political parties major no kura no enkuntabuo ho asem kwa de bia yisi ne mo kono
o san de nkomo foforo ba me kan me de be share mu but no de foforo ba
okay go
ya ye kan yen grievances yen Hawaii
yes you have it
so what I say because anya ye kura no me wo 275 constituencies no
baby a
me wo bobo ha won hu even a single constituency kura but ono so make ho enti me so me number ni
wanya no
exactly it is yen to aba me so me were voting right so what I say e wo IPAC obehwe na bia ade na mususu ho no wo how pa say ebetime de wontwontwa because one between NDC and NPP sabi onyamema emanem parien so oye ne beba so what I say it will come from just these two political parties pe ni aka bia ntimi fo nye de bia magana because one do cry ya but NDC decided say yenye saadi ya e won sunsanso wo man no so MPP decided say yenye saadi ya e won sunsanso e wo man no so yenye sa batu ye ntom results are be yenye ntom these two political parties no yen start yen mudru no wosoro so na me kan what I say enti ehia sase yakọ adwenkyira anka wo makwan na at least yen adwenkyira no enti me nyina yen come back from 1992 suggesting say na say contributions ahoro a reform ahoro ya ye nyina no mu ahe na fi ebia
commissioner
political party be outside NDC or NPP.
Oh okay.
So don't you what I say these major parties political parties
so we have priority for these major political parties not the lesser ones
exactly here because no mistakes so
I'm
not saying say pamon but nothing now we commissioner as look at my use discretion wo baby some pass ade am ye ndisi enya ntompe ma yemrel and na ye ka say ye wo hang parliament meboa enti say what the bill biko no was wo nye ntom NDC twa ho fima bill na ho den wo fom enti wo hia sa brebia no at least wo benya say NDC NPP we kan bom na wo nga pushi e bi asem kan de koi no na enya nyina so o ma no ma me wie wo ne a friend then Sasia what they call parliament and what's him here in papa same thing say Ghana constitution actually say Ghana ni bia o pese woto aba ni di kan say we Ghana ni yet to say being say why dream mo da ho yet to say be say wanya mfidum otwe eko fundamental qualification I will bet him do the Abeka Ghana battle crata home no when you counsel beto aba asa sane maybe simple I think I take 42 mewa and I'm as 2 minutes it is a me ding me are willing my dream with that me above 18 years na me say me kwa control me dinga and say bibi foforo bi siw me kwan among na me kan what I say and say bibi foforo because constitution na nkasa and na ma me kwan say me nya mfidu nwotwe my dream with that ho etusu abiesa me ye Ghana ni esi na ne me hude say say electoral commission bia nso no wo ma na ye wo dadwen wo haw wo ya de hia ho ne say abre bia no be pese nipa dodo a wo ye Ghana fo a won kon do no wo be ma won kan no ngetimi a kire won adwen wo abato nkrata on si ukwan no on ka kwan no mpua
the one is the
commissioner yi every si ukwan no because one see a what the kwai ni kire say wo nya onni Ghana card a wo din ntimi nko Ghana abato nkrata it's your constitution.
Okay, so you'll be seeing about so Kofi. You know, more NDC, more raising concern to them, very legitimate ones. Meaning, if you told their line, say there's legitimacy in the Omo Kano, and that's probably they've gone overboard. So me real with the issue, sir.
I'm that's it. In chair ne wetif when I'm in chair. Mini penny and MPC. Na enema bi ha if we say o na ye chichire no e ya adwen to a na ye nyina ye to na yetimi akoye ni na enema ho adwiri me free say me wan wasem nuano NDC for ka political party bi ho asem said the ni mu ne mfenso ana say ne mfisusa ene stake a wo constitutional democracy na ye running no and a democracy nso a ye running no ye say ankra bia ti mechira na adwen anya sanity ankra bia no eti mechira na adwen sabio constitution ni mu na he na ka say political party bi ne member ye 5 a na ho odin a na no a obetimi dia akase.
There's no measurement.
I mean the constitution like you said you can't processes a electoral commission behwe say political parties are qualified to be a political party yanka say na dodo yesi anase say enti si ehwe in the strict sense anka me ne MPP ne NDC ye nyina anka in the strict sense of it
e pia magun
ye nyina ye pia agun chen enti ya na wo kohwe obi de na wo gina eno so say ono ni because the constitution is clear ana emra ebo oman no ya manyo sem ho ban ne ye clear say sikampo a ye de ye politics no ya ma oman ni hu kwan ya fa so nya sika nya sanete wo wa ma Ghana fo hu kwan ya fa so nya sika ye campaign ana obi di oye bone a ono ne de no assuming ye mfa ono ne de enti nka ye nyina no by the strict sense of the law nka ye nyina no ye qualify per your argument enti ya na moko gina simpie so na mo ye argument a sabe mo hwɛ sa na ma we nyina cause obi enu wa ne hote ye nyina no aya manyosem na ye na ye boaboa ye ho nkakra se na ebe ya ye be pagya ye mu ye nim se ne ma anya perfect de but mo ye mo de ye nso ye de amanyo nketenkete no nso ye o mo de ba ukoyi obi gina nkyɛn na okase ye nyi ono ni mfrim na ye nyi ni mfrim no nso no ana se owo mu no wo de kwɔhyɛ obi a I mean it doesn't make any sense because o man ye wo kroma na President Mahama fa akuadonko di nachi ede ne call Italy say or part of a political party na wate political party nti so o chekere oman a na o ko Italy akosa tan na o kwhwe factory setups bi o Italy o de ne kan so no so a political party na satam na akuadonko offices o Ghana ha nyina Hassan Ayarega be ye coughing na o ye niema ede ehihye mochi ni ade na o offices o Ghana ha
na o ye nioma but no fancy show
okay o de me
kan independent political party
na ono offices o Ghana ha nyina you know what are you talking about? In any case Jim Mensa na ma obi kwete party ana obekai say Charlotte say emre bi ye koto about things say 2016 thereabout oyi political parties be free obekai on the basis that omo ni the reason or the man. Echo Supreme Court, my Supreme Court. Eboguye. Do you remember that story? Charlotte say yi nkofo be free. Omo ana ye koto aba na so omo ye qualified candidate no. Oyi be free mu. My Supreme Court Boguye. Obekai 2016.
That's something that joy cross.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Oyi ekwadonko free mu yi other people. My Supreme Court catch and say we need to meet over here. So what are you talking about? The SCA nyina ye kan say e kwan be na ye be fa so na ya manyo sema ye no me hia wo mo
because that's it e ho no won kai na bia na woni Ghana wan sine bu anyi won amfim keke time wo file won nominations so that from so buy
and na me tell say and I'm just from so buy yo the bottom line is say it shows the weaknesses because now they needed to get certain numbers for signing ni nyina ye part of the strength of the political party and ameboa
yeah
and no offices ni ade ni signatories bia na no say omo anya sa rekwan and the Supreme Court said that be is that not the same thing amoka wants them say they don't have the requisite strength to have the same measure or the same we say so mo so betimi a kire o ma doing the same in comparison to MPP and NDC. Enti I know the men farmer ho enti yenya sa asem na NPC emwa
so yeah
etosubi o si ye yi Charlotte says asem how many times na mbeka on my own kai say Mrefi Papa Nidi no one of the deputy commissioners no northern name
David Kanga
no Sule Kaisa ono ne another madam ba kwa no no so deputy commissioner komo omuko di fa Charlotte say ho ene niam komo ankasa trofa commissioner ne ho have you forgotten e dey na yetro e dey na yetro
may address this issue
eni pa no omu raise concerns ama other Ghanaians
I'm sure you recollect
that so what are you talking about
no okay we are okay so okay we dia obunya kwanya timachi
ama kofo raise concerns
Emma what can be not
Emma establish prima facie so be kai asem no emra na ye clear obe tro petition akoma omampanyi na omampanyi dia akoma chief justice no ate committee na oma sete na oma hu say is there a prima facie case asem ni nyina so wom e na omo sete committee hu say ampa nyina so wom on the basis of that e na omo ye de so omo ye tie de na de be hye Ekufuado because Ekufuado role in the process and say obeji petition no the ama chief justice aye na that's what the law says. It say multi political party na mo hwe so nya mo ne ma ese mo ye na afi no mo sorry na mpanyifo bi na mo pese mo de omanim twitwi form at the supreme chief justice anim twitwi form awie say EC na masa afa no na mo de ono so anim twitwi form. Now you talk about Ghana card. Omarin say under Charlotte say you spend 417 million Ghana cedis and the year registration for the 2016 election. Mami Jean Mensa by spend 347 million Ghana cedis, a decline in value. But the bottom line is say so no crowd is kaketwa na yeah. Ghana spend $347 million. I mean cedis. At the time, what exchange rate na nyesika ketwa about $70 million or so. Nyesika ketwa. Any the year sa exercise. So we share national register
report if
you can check.
No, okay, what?
Yes, Sika ya the year voter registration.
Now so na wo so di ho but clearly
electoral commission at the
budget
or the budget as on here. Okay, expenditure.
Yes, expenditure.
Okay, expenditure. Your budget as
well.
Expenditure. Yeah. And as high expenditure, no, unya odi fee.
No pa me we are. Me story.
As far as I'm concerned, electoral commission far expenditure be go parliament here.
No, I'm talking about previous elections. And I make some. And now some.
Oreka budget to make expenditure bank.
But this is open. How do we survive with Abayeto? Get what they say? How did we get there? Preparation tells about how do we fund it?
Electoral commissioner, they never budget back of parliament.
I'm not talking about this election.
Not this one.
Which one? About 2016 and say sa expenses no onye fee.
May amount.
Expenditure onye fee.
May ni amount.
Don't worry. Parliament and kasa assistant today. We go hu ira. Now again.
Now voter registration na here and sika ben ya dey.
So anyway, how do we go through that process?
Omane T. What you say? My major mensa bay. Or the net expenditure. I call parliament. What?
Oh, but I'm not talking about my major mensa this election.
Which election?
My country said
elections are
me see 2016 Charlotte say
and now
2020
and 2020 usunya figure ni fee.
Oh,
that's what I'm challenging.
I'll give you the figures. Don't worry. Remember figures.
And your source.
Remember figures now. Don't worry. I'll give you the figures. Make kasa we now kasa me you figures now. Into your mind, sika you spend here. No. Enti se akoba se ehu be hia se oman ye be move every baby a every election cycle be a yen say sika anka ne papa mu a in fact mu ankasa under John Dramani Mahama his excellency ana modem raba ye say se Ghana ni kwaji voter register or register to voter ahyenso dia ese wo de ko register to vote the Ghana card. Your friend National Registration Act LI 2111 Article 7 Clause 1G. Asamu amokan.
Yina na ntwa hombra. Ye ba ye beto ankomo ye kwa basisi. Well, that's how by Damu I was here. Try you be what I'm saying. Kofi, the Kofi Tonto and better than EPC. So and we're wrapping up in the next 6 minutes.
Oh, time is.
Kofi,
man, me we no time is something. I mean, we share GNA report. I say election cost too. Oh, well, I just had the evidence here. Just give me 1 second. We city before I make city there and say the Electoral Commission has given certain figures to back the argument that we are raising. When we are talking about cost in 2017 during the limited registration exercise 2017 during the limited registration exercise we spent 487,980 million Ghana cedis. This year the parliament has approved 390 million Ghana cedis.
It doesn't answer my question.
No, the point is, Mama,
no, you go ahead.
I just told you expenditure.
You go ahead.
And at the following, and me argue. So the point I made, rapping in and say, where is Sika Afibia? I say, and I'm more 2022, more pass a law, the National Identification Act 2022, and I'm the LI. Legislative instrument called Parliament. 2012, sorry. And I'm the legislative instrument 2012 now. Legislative LI 2111. Ekoye. Oshe LI 2111 Article 7 Clause 1G. And I'm the shame say mandatory use of Ghana card. And they say use it for voter registration. One I'm the shame under President Mahama. And I'm the call Parliament. Ekoye nemra. Nti ade na wo a wo de ade akọ parliament akoye ne mra. In any case, enipa 70
exhaust all stakeholders
stakeholders man. O man me no ka say enipa 17 million plus and I register for the Ghana card. Asemo a na ye di abeto abonten ni say enipa a yentimi mfa omo meto so so omo beto so no about 2 million. 2 million people and aka. Are we saying say for the next year and a half, yentimi emphasa sika nanka. Yede besa akoye another year. Yentimi mfa ma NIE emfa nye ebia expanded registration exercise. Na yen ropi obia in. So not only will we get the benefit for them to use it to vote, but the nyina ye pese ye drew say ye build a formal economy. Ghana ni bia bewo identification system ye benya sanfa so de nso double benefit nti ade na ese akoya another registration and ase akoya na moa ma ye mra ne ye di mra no so na wa ye mra na sa da ne ho se me no me mpem mra na me de eba ye. How does that make sense?
Amane that's it. Now tie Kofi asem o kan about sa Elia what they establish NIE quotation be say mandatory use of Ghana card. So what else? Enti phone ni mra wo ho na kira nya metimi de aye. Eno no man nso nchen Ghana mra. No. Constitution they say when you're 18 years now I dream down. Now you Ghana ni nkwa. Na say wo pepa say wo beto aba. It say electoral commission here provision so so no absorb.
That provision is being made.
Please.
That provision is being made. What are you saying?
But what's the problem now?
Yes. So what are you talking about?
Young mra no kire say fa odin hye abatocrat am. So odin ni register mu a wo ye oman hino. Wo ye hino, untime nto aba. Okay? Enti process no na hyase ne say me ye Ghana ni. Me won fi du nwotwe. Ma adwen mu da ho ntime pese me di me din hye abatocrat am. Sa na mra ne kire wonen. An kire say ese say wo fa kwan bi so, kwati kwan bi a obi based on no say na nti ase trinity kwati kwan wo ho na yefu nkomodi a won ye ndi no.
So you think that doctor deliberately obi refuse to issue Ghana card to qualified Ghanaians?
Is that what you can say?
Ujiri se boapayom obi be sheda ka say of frustrated system no to suit a particular
sente sadia ada na o se mini Ghana card o me nsan ka me de institution has to provide the Ghana card no mame no on fa mame ye me nsan kan ye me abro 18 years ma dream that me Ghana ni ada na me din timi kwa batocrat
na one stop o
e na no stop hina
the process
no process be
my 2 million is no
address me tie ni atini me pesa me di me din ko sha batocrat constitution no mame pan say ese se me din ko batocrat no ma adwen mu ni etia me ni o ma adwen mu na ho de me ntime nye me nya mfi nu otwa me ntime nye me nya Ghana ni me ntime nye esi sa na me bi sen pe so itimi qualify wo sa na me bi sa no ho a ese se me din ko batocrat no
obi asi kwan se odi ntime ko
obi receive me kwan because me nya Ghana card here how then Ghana for you na Ghana card me no ka say
but how can you the Ghana card
even with the voter ID card now Ghana for you na
voter ID card ben voter ID card ben ya kan ya ni din afa ni din ni abatocrat mu tie ni ye si boss na nkasa sorry NIA atefa
now one na stop me from registering
you not stop hina
I don't get it one stop me
o ma uni
obi stop hina
2 million people na
no for 2 million na 7 to nchen Dr. Atefa si Professor Atefa
enyo na kan 2 million
Professor Atefa si one for obi am for share metons because brain swing say obetimi aye na adwuma bi ye
brain swing tun say e to aba
na brain swing ye no ya bato asem ne ye kan bato krata asem
and I'm saying braso see e to aba
na me dey enko krata no ma na bato do you right there
swing ye see e be to aba if you register
your holiday onyame ya do match na e be
register